Right, so let's have a look at how Compass can help you surface strategies of a trader. Right here we have some general overviews. We can see that this is a profitable wallet. We can see the portfolio value broken down into liquidity bands. The reason we have this is because often wallets get clogged up with tokens that have no liquidity, so you cannot sell them. Those are categorized into the no liquidity band here. But as you can see, this wallet has some more liquid tokens as well. We have the portfolio value over time here, which estimates the value of his total NFT holdings over time. As you can see, this is steadily increasing with this trader. We have a very interesting chart here, the activity chart, which we can zoom into, and we can see the individual trades this wallet did. We can filter based on listings and the other types of transactions here. And on the bottom, which is very interesting, we can see the profits over time. This is a consistently profitable wallet, which means he likely has a working trading strategy that we can learn more about. We can see that his strategy is bidding on tokens. He makes most of his profits from there. We can see his recent bets here on this side, and a very useful and very powerful feature is the related wallets, where Compass detects the related wallets of this trader, and we can group them right together by clicking here and on groups. Right, so once I created a group for these wallets, I still see the same metrics, but I see it for all the wallets aggregated. So it's often that traders use separate wallets to trade. And if we're just looking at the metrics of one wallet, we don't get the full picture. So the whole wallet analytics page was built to help you identify a strategy of a trader. And the way you do that, once you group all the wallets of the trader, you want to look at patterns. So patterns in their trading. And we have two sections for that. One is the flips, where you can see the flips that this trader did. And you can also very easily go onto the individual transactions. Obviously, each flip is two transactions, one where he acquires the token and one where he sells it. Clicking on the pills will take us right onto the transactions, which also shows the powerful filtering capability with AND and OR logics, which will make your life easier when looking for new strategies. We also see a lot of very useful information. Hovering over parts of it will give us quick overviews, so we don't have to jump around that much. Everything was built to make your research into wallets that quicker and that faster. So I looked into this wallet previously, and I was able to figure out his strategy. What he basically does is he's listening to the blockchain, waiting for someone to start dumping. His best case scenario is when someone is holding a lot of tokens from a collection and that person is dumping them all at once. So he starts accepting the best bids at the beginning and then successively worse and worse bids. So this trader times his bids in real time so that he gets the best deal on the holdings of the person who's dumping them. So that's his trick. That's how he gets constantly 50, 100, 300% gains on his flips. He also bids on collections with large spreads between the best collection offer and floor price. As you can see, he assumes some risk. We can see the holding time, which is a couple of days before he can flip the token successfully. But this is a strategy that works very, very well and that we can use to our advantage. So what I can do next is set an alert on the actions of this wallet group. That way I can follow his strategy along in real time and learn more from him as he's making his flips.